Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple CarPlay connectivity issue. Apple CarPlay is a more than just a screen mirroring tool for your car. Every CarPlay app is tweaked for best hands-free experience. CarPlay works by syncing iPhone data in real-time. Connectivity issue are very common with the CarPlay. So if you have this issue, and let me show you the steps to fix this problem. So the first step is make sure that you check your connection. Make sure the lightning cable is connected properly to your CarPlay. For wireless variants, ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are switched down, or restart the car and establish a new CarPlay session. And if it's not working, then the next step is change your USB cable if needed. Lightning connector are notorious for breaking and giving up easily. Check if the cable needs replacing. So if your cable is not working, so make sure that you check your cable. So once you've done this, then the next step is forget and reconnect CarPlay. You have already established that the lightning cable is working properly. Now let's unpair the CarPlay and reconnect CarPlay. First of all, open your settings, then simply click on General, then click on CarPlay, then just simply select your vehicle and forget this car, then restart your iPhone, or also restart your vehicle and reconnect your CarPlay. You can select simply the CarPlay, you will be shown here. And if it's still not working, then the last step is you have to restore your iPhone factory default. For that you will lose all of your data. Go to General, click on Transfer Reset, erase all content and setting. So before you do that, make sure that you make a backup of your iPhone so you can restore your data later. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.